Basically paid for this trip just in one day trading today while traveling. I could have taken today off, but I don't. Just wearing my airport fit too. The flight is in like 2-3 hours, but it's gonna be a sick week. Anyways, I'm on like 2.5 hours of sleep right now.
Out my closet, that shit none. Yeah, that's a vibe, that's a one-on-one. Yeah.
So again, small losses when you're red and big wins when you're green. Good morning, it's currently 5:56 a.m. Every single morning, my morning routine is I wake up around 5:30. I leave my house by 6. I get to the gym by 6:20, work out for about an hour, get ready, go to daily mass, and then normally I head to the office. But today I have a very busy day. I'm traveling, I'll be in Miami for the next 5 days, Wednesday to Sunday. So pretty excited. I'm going to do a trading meetup podcast. Gonna go to the Stanley Cup. It's gonna be a really cool week. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me throughout my week, starting with my daily morning routine. And even though I have a flight at 12:30, I'm still doing my daily routine. I could have taken today off, but I don't. So I'm gonna go to the gym, go to church, come back, trade for like 45 minutes, and then go to the airport, and we're gonna have a sick week in Miami. Let's go. I'm gonna miss the lamb for the next 5 days, so we're definitely gonna take her today.
Yo, so many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average, yo, man, what's up here? What is it now?
I feel really bad for my neighbors. When I got this car, I would drive it like basically like every single nice day. But lately, like I don't even think I've driven the Lambo in like a week, to be honest. I've just been driving my Mercedes. But obviously I still really like it. I got this new gym membership, the Lifetime. Dude, this like Lifetime, like a very nice one though. And like every single day there's like 5 G-Wagons just next to each other, 5 Range Rovers. Yesterday I saw an Aventador, I saw a Ferrari SF90, I saw a Ferrari F8. Like these cars here are really, really, really nice in a sick area too. So hopefully we'll see a couple cool ones, but really good networking gym as well. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there and we'll talk over there. It's 6:23 a.m. I just got to the gym. I'm about to crush my workout, and then I'm going to go to church. I'm gonna go work out now. Talking a little bit. I think today I'm gonna hit legs. Hate hitting legs, but gotta do what we gotta do. Alright, just left church. I'm wearing my airport fit too. Alright, don't even lie, these Kith shorts are sick. Random dude parked behind me in a sick G-Wagon. Alright, well, not too random. This is Chris, like one of my mentors. Alright, this is like my favorite interior that I've seen on a G-Wagon though. Look how sick his interior is. Oh yeah, this doesn't get better than that. There's a Urus here. There was an Aventador, a white one, parked behind us, but he was in and out. But yeah, we're going to church right now. And then I'm gonna trade and head to the airport. Good workout today, but I hate hitting legs. I hate it.
He spoke to them. They heard his decree is the Lord our God.
Okay guys, just grabbed some food. Now I'm about to go trade. I'm low-key running late to trade. And I just realized I still haven't finished packing because my flight is in like 2-3 hours. But it's gonna be a sick week. Look how sick the lamb is looking too. Oh, and the priest said the funniest thing to me. I told him how I told him honestly, I'm going to Miami. I have this trading event I have to go to, and this day he's like, oh, I feel so bad for you. You drive a Lamborghini and you have to go to Miami and see all these girls. I was like, no, none of that will be happening. But yeah, it was pretty funny. Okay, just got on voice with the team. Gonna trade for a little bit and then head to my flight to Miami. Yeah, so I'd watch Tesla over pre-market high. I'd also watch Hood over pre-market high. It's crypto names are starting to go. Okay, I'm getting off voice now. I took 2 trades today. One of them was just a swing that I still have. I took Shopify, which I made over $900 on. It was kind of a small trade. I didn't really trust the market. And then Hood, which I still have, which was kind of a swing. I sold a lot of it a couple days ago, helped a little bit of it, up around a little over $1,000. But with that swing open, anything happen. We'll come back at the end of the day and I'll show you guys how much I make or how my day ends. And yeah, I'm gonna head to the airport right now. I'm running kind of late. Okay guys, just landed in Miami and I did close out my swings. This is how the day is looking. So I started this account with $50,000 a couple weeks ago. It's currently at $65,000. I'm taking it to 100K and doing it live in the Discord. And then I'm up 3,200 today. Yesterday I lost 1,600. Day before I made over 6 grand. So again, small losses when you're red and big wins when you're green. I closed out of my swing, so that's realized 3,200 today. And yeah, I might enter something at the end of the day for a swing. Not sure yet, but other than that, great day. It was a great flight. I watched The Matrix for the first time. It's pretty good. And now I'm on my way to a hotel. We're staying at Fontainebleau.
Meet me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you.
Guys, I have a couple hours before dinner, so I decided to come down to the beach. I did take on one more trade before the market closed, and it was a position on Boeing. As you can see, I made around 800 bucks so far. It's still an open position though, and I ended up making $4,000 on the day. The 50K account was at 60K, 66K, meaning we're up $16,000. Goal is to take it to 100, but yeah, I mean, basically paid for this trip just in one day trading today while traveling here. So we'll see how this swing does. I'm gonna update you guys every single day of the trip, how much money I made or lost, and update on the account, and basically throughout the whole day, like anything cool we do. You know, we got to meet some cool traders. We're gonna go to some very nice restaurants. Might even go out at night. We're one of the Stanley Cup games, Edmonton versus Florida. So it's gonna be sick. But yeah, I mean, like, it's possible, dude. It's possible. I'm 18 years old. I made $4,000 today. I traveled to Miami today, and like I paid for my flight in one day trading. Wouldn't that be awesome? Like going on a trip to work. Well, the crazy thing is, like, it's not like I'm stopped working or going on vacation. I just work with a different view. It really is. All I need is a phone, a laptop. I can do whatever I want. So this is the life. And I'll talk soon. We're at this cool place called Mila. We got these like 0 alcohol mocktails. It tastes pretty good. And I've been to like a lot of Miami restaurants, but I've never been here before. So we're gonna see. I'll show you guys some of the food. Every single night I'm gonna take you guys with me. I forgot to show the appetizers, but we had like 4 appetizers. Now we got our lamb chops here, skirt steak here. This place is really good. All right, taste test. Come on, Carlo, try it. Taste it, Carlo.
It's a good bite right
You
there.
first. Really?
Oh yeah. How's that, B?
Everywhere I go, I bring my cars with me. That's my Mercedes, and that's my Huracan. No, I'm just kidding, but it's pretty cool. Both the models of my cars are here in Miami. That would be cool though. One time if I like flew out my like Lambo when I went on a trip, maybe I'll do that one time. We're at the Stanley Cup game. This pastrami is amazing, boys. Oh my god. All right, taste test, Carlo.
Let's see what it's all about over here. Sauce.
How good?
So good.
Okay, so we're at the trading event right now. Check it out. Johnny put on a sick event. Little Boca. We're gonna trade for a little bit, do a presentation, and do a podcast. So hopefully when you're watching this, the podcast is up on Johnny's channel. I'm not gonna lie, that hockey game yesterday went freaking crazy. It was 3-0 Florida, and then Edmonton came back 3-3, then 4-4 overtime, then Edmonton wins, which is the team I wanted to win. But anyways, so I'm at the event. I'm about to do a little presentation, and then after the presentation, gonna trade live. Johnny was asking me like, PB, bro, can you please just skip today? But I don't skip any days with New Age. And then after that, I am going to do the podcast. Problem is, I'm on like 2.5 hours of sleep right now. Not even kidding. I'm literally on 2.5 hours of sleep, so I'm really tired. But I'm still gonna crush this presentation. I'm gonna record it for you guys, and we'll play it here as well, because it's some real sauce. This is Johnny's vet right here. It's pretty clean. I would dust him though.
Alright, no one check. checked on me when I needed. So I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. Me, I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. On the block ain't nothing but use, trying to be bad and hoes that act up. I've been obsessed with money, I knew would get my stack up. I ain't lacking, on my own, I got me, no backup. They talking on me, and none of it factual. Meanwhile, bro in a band, I'm hoping Fed don't raid his yard. She like, boy, you toxic, you ain't got no heart. You get let down when you love too hard. 100 roses ain't gonna fix it. Maybe a Chanel bag. No one checked on me when I needed. So I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. Me, I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. Don't grab my phone, I'm busy. Not right now, I'm busy.
We're in Dodgy's Lambo. It is the broke boy Lambo. The doors don't go up. But he thinks he's sick, you know, revving it. We're going to dinner. I mean, lunch right now. It's still early.
Dude, we're going to the best. If you guys are ever in Miami, the Zion District, go to Contessa. It's the best pasta you'll ever eat.
So I got it around a year and a half ago, and the reason I picked it up was because one of the big things I wanted to do was I wanted to buy my own watch on myself using my trading profits before I graduated high school. So it's pretty cool. I'm a day trader. I day trade stocks, and so it's a big thing. I wanted to buy my own Rolex before I graduated high school by myself, and you know I did. I'm only 18.
Very nice, very nice. Was this your first luxury watch?
Yes.
Okay. Was this your first watch period?
Yes. My goal is I want to get a Patek Philippe.
Okay. So that's a big jump. And what's the next timepiece on your radar? I know you said Patek Philippe.
That one.
But what's the next one?
That one. Go big or go home.
Okay, because most people, they like maybe another Rolex, a Submariner, a GMT. And
so I was actually about to buy my Obama watch last week. It was I forgot, it was a presidential gold one. It was like $55,000 or something. And I kind of subtly mentioned it to her, and she was about to kill me. She was about to kill me. So my next one's gonna be something for her. Even though she's about to kill me, like I'm still gonna make something happen and get her a watch.
Sure.
And then after that, a nice one for me.
Very nice, very nice. It's nice to give back to your
It's the best feeling. It's better than buying my own watch.
That's true, that's true. And you're a trader?
Yeah, day trader.
How long have you been doing this for?
I've been doing this for 6 years, since I was 12 years old.
Cool. And what's one piece of advice you would give the people out there who may want to get into day trading?
It would probably be focus on the process and not the profits. There's a lot of misleading things on the internet, and once you're process oriented and not profit oriented, it's a big mindset shift. As well as, 99% of people fail. So if you want to become part of the 1%, you have to make failure not an option. You have to go all in. You truly give it your all. It's impossible to fail. I don't care what anybody tells you. You give it your all.
Very nice. Well, thanks for sharing and joining us.
Nice to meet you.
Yo, you smacked my car, bro. You scraped it.
All right.
Pay for it.
Rock, paper, scissors for who pays for who. The bill. He was trying to pay for it, thinking this is a event. He thinks he's big or something.
I'm big boy up.
He thinking he's big boy.
We're splitting the check, man. We got to. We had a good day today in the market. Psych. Had no trades today. Boca event was today. PB is a beast. I appreciate him for coming so much, and yeah, he's a beast.
All up, bro. We're up and coming.
Up and coming. We're two youngins. We're gonna crush this.
We officially just hit 50,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is just the start. We just caught a really nice trade. I don't really trade SPY that much, but I think Monday's expirations, I'm currently up 3,500 with 10 contracts. Pretty sick. I told Dodgy too, he took my alert. If you guys didn't know, Dodgy's whole strategy is take PB's alert.
I'm fresh now.
Yeah. Check out how good my ice cream is. Woo. Dodgy says he lives off 15K a month expenses.
I do.
I don't believe it.
I do.
His Lambo, his G-Wagon, his Corvette, that's 3 cars, that's 10K a month right there.
No, Corvette's all paid for.
How about the G-Wagon?
G-Wagon's mostly paid for. I only pay $1,000 a month on that.
Lambo what, 3 months, 4 months?
4 months.
So that's 5, how about
And then
insurance?
my rent is $3,000.
How about
And
insurance?
insurance is $1,000. That's like 9.
That's 9.
And then probably $3,000 on food. I would say 15.
I think now we need to do 15, 20.
15 this month.
Oh, this month like 30,
Yeah, this month probably 30.
Yo, we're over here with PB. Just came back from a day of meeting up with other traders. You know how we do it. We're in Miami, baby. We up today, P?
Me in Miami, we read today.
Oh, we read today. It's okay. It was a tough week trading, but you know what? We're gonna get them back next week. That's just what we do. We never stop. We keep going.
Never stop.
Ever.
Alright guys, we're now at John Jones' event. Pretty cool. We're hanging out with John here. We met him last night, and you know, we're just hanging out with him a little bit. It's pretty cool. And yeah, it's just insane.
Here with the champ Johnny Bones Jones, follow this young man.
Hey, champion trading,
all the way to the top.
I was just on Jack Doherty's stream, telling him about day trading. He told me that all day traders lose, and then I showed him, and he was like, "Oh shit, bro, you might be the truth."
PB, after a long day of trading, talking to other traders, that boy needed some sleep. He don't stop. He ran off about 2 hours of sleep. He straight winged it. He killed it. And that's just what the fuck he does. That's what we do. Now we're in Miami. We've been here. About to go to Poppy's Steak later tonight. About to eat good, feel good. PB, what do you got to tell the fans? He's tired with it. That, my friends, is a wrap for the week. Friday's here. There's no trading for 2 days. He's gonna do his charting, find them calendars, and that's it. Monday morning, he's gonna crack them. Stay tuned.